Hi, I'm Scott O'Sullivan, and this is the first in a video blog series where I answer questions that I get every day in my practice. I encourage you to watch the following videos, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. I've been representing motorcycle riders since about 1998. As a former rider, I understand the seriousness of how accidents can affect people's lives. I actually stopped riding in about 1992 when my good friend Mark died on his motorcycle just down the street from where I lived. At that point I realized just how serious these accidents can be for people. And I represent motorcycle riders throughout the state of Colorado who've been hurt through somebody else's negligence. Usually it's when somebody makes a left-hand turn right in front of them and they hit the motorcycle rider right in the broadside. Motorcycle accidents can have a terrible impact on people's lives, whether it's the medical bills, recovery from your injuries, time away from work and family and trying to recover. These are things that we can help you with and that I help people with every single day in their motorcycle accidents. And one of the things that I would like you to do today is get as much motorcycle insurance as you can afford. This will help you, in the end, if God forbid you get hit, help you get your medical bills paid, your lost wages, and other damages that just aren't covered by the other side, because chances are they don't have enough insurance. If you have any insurance questions regarding your motorcycle, or if you've been in an accident, give me a call today.